Creating content takes village, but what if there is a brief in and assets out, and that's the job? I'm KD, founder and CEO of Simplified. Today I will show you how you can use Simplified AI creations to turn single brand brief into brand writing, images and videos all in one place without switching tabs. We will generate long form and social copy, design scroll stopping visuals, and repurpose your long podcast or long videos into short shareable clips, and then assemble everything into a campaign ready to schedule or hand off. It's one brief, writing, images and videos. Let's go. Before we jump into AI creation, first set up a brand book. Brand book encodes identity, voice, products, content pillars. More the information you will provide to this marketing brain, your content will be, your system will always stay on brand without hand holding. So to do so, to set up a brand book, select your URL, enter your website description or upload PDF and hit generate. Once you do that, within few minutes AI will build a beautiful brand book. For example, here AI already knows the colors, typography, assets, audience, the product which we have, the unique selling point we offer, then ideal customer profiles, e-commerce brands. In case something is incorrect, you can always click on it and change these things and make it correct. Also, AI analyzes all these informations and produces these content strategy pillars. Once the brand book, aka marketing brain, is ready, system will follow these rules and you will always get on brand content using Simplified. All right, you set the brand book. Now let's start creating the content. To create content, you can click on create new button, and there are different types of content. You can generate designs, text to image, AI presentation, AI meme generator, ads, carousels. You can generate videos, you can turn images or text into videos. You can repurpose clips. You can turn blogs into videos. Repurpose your long form content into short clips. You can write blogs, write essays. Everything Simplified generates get organized into projects, and everything you upload goes into your asset. You can, in projects, you can see designs, videos, documents, audios, or your AI voice clone. Want to generate videos using AI? Let me show you how you can do it. First, click on create, go to video section, click on image to video section. Just describe what you want to generate. We have a lot of different models. You can ask AI to automatically pick the best model for you and hit generate. Each generation will take few minutes. All right, within few minutes, AI will turn your text into video.
Have you guys checked out Simplified AI automation? It's incredible.
What are you waiting for? Turn your ideas into videos in seconds. You don't need to create videos from scratch every single time. You can repurpose your blogs, articles, or scripts into videos. Let me show you how you can do that. Click on create new, go to videos section and click on AI blog URL to video. First I'm selecting template, then enter the URL of your blog and hit continue. AI will get the content from this blog. Now AI already analyzed your content and written the script. You can hit continue. Then you can choose the format, size. You can generate these videos using stock videos, stock images, AI images. Here I'm going to choose minimalistic style. Also, then you can choose the speaker, or you can also clone your own voice. Once you do that, just hit generate. In this, AI already got the script, identifying the hooks and shaping the narrative. It will add the voiceover and find the premium media that will elevate your scenes to the next level. It takes anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes to render. All right, within few minutes, my blog is now turned into a video.
In today's fast-paced digital world, AI workflows are revolutionizing social media strategies without us even realizing it. Imagine having an invisible assistant that schedules posts at the perfect time, suggests effective hashtags, and predicts audience reactions.
So we just repurpose your existing blog into video. Now let's repurpose your long form videos or podcast. To do so, all you can do is like create new, repurpose, click on AI video clips, and you can copy paste links from YouTube or Google Drive, or you can simply drag and drop files, or you can scan from your mobile phone as well. Tool works best for videos with audios with someone explaining. Once that is done, you can choose templates. We have already curated list of templates. You can choose any one of these predefined templates. Template, just choose the language spoken in the video, select the portrait size, select the optimal duration for the video. You have three different formats, like you can do a center fit where AI will put your clips into center. You can do a split screen or the only active speaker at the center. Once that is done, you can personalize your clip with the brand, generate. Once you hit generate, it takes like 5 to 10 minutes. Once you hit generate, AI first transcribes your entire video, understands the current trend and the context, and then it starts clipping your long form videos into short clips. You don't need to wait on this page. You will get an email notification as soon as the Repurpose project is ready. Now in just few minutes, Simplified AI transcribed your video, analyzed it, and created these 9 clips. You can click on them to view. It also added subtitles and gave virality score. You can click on any one of these to view the title as well as description.
Software anymore. It's quite likely that you software engineers are going to be orchestrating multiple AI agent systems. It's quite likely.
This is weeks of work just done in minutes. Once you like certain clicks, you can select them all and add to your social media queue in just minutes. So this is creation to publishing just happening all in one platform. This is Simplified AI clips for you. Now marketers can edit videos with ease using Simplified's AI powered video editor. Imagine you have recorded that amazing product demo. In one click, you can add subtitles. Once your subtitles are added, you can remove silences, you can add B-rolls, add auto zoom, and translate these videos. Once your editing is done, you can preview scenes view, also adjust layers, shuffle between different artboards. Once you are done, you can simply click on export this as video, or directly start publishing on social media channels. This is AI powered editing at your fingertips.